Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2026 Ford Ranger XLT. Coming in this nice carbonized gray coloring, this vehicle is going to be powered by a 2.3 liter EcoBoost engine, has 4-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the black appearance package. We do get rear park sensor here, tow hitch receiver, mud flaps on the rear and front, gripped running boards on either side with blind spot detection. And moving to the front, we do get recovery hooks, block heater, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look in the back here, we can see this vehicle does see up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black and gray cloth interior, floor mats, carpet interior with under seat storage, plenty of door space up front, some storage here, USB and USB-C, floor mats, and you do get cup holders and arm space. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have a manual driver's seat, manual passenger seat with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front, powered windows, mirrors, locks, lights, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 8.5 kilometers. Got this nice leather-wrapped steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone and media with volume, voice, cruise control, and lane centering. We got a digital speedometer, compass with my view, trip and fuel, off-road, towing, audio, phone, navigation, settings, and vehicle maintenance. To my right, we got our gear select, parking brake, drive modes, traction, auto stop, auto start, with 4-wheel drive, cup holders, more storage here with some outlets. You got your center console here as well with tons of storage. Basic climate controls on these little buttons here, hazards, storage above, below, and a nice big infotainment system with your climate controls at the bottom. We got our audio with AM, FM, Bluetooth, SiriusXM, phone controls. You do get navigation with this model as well. Zoom in and out, go 3D. You can search on here, your musical, or just music. Totally up to you. Add your phone. You got your tow and haul modes as well, which just gives you a towing checklist for your trailers. All your apps will be found in here. You got Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, zone lighting, sketch, vehicle settings, set up this vehicle however you like, home screen, auto hold, and your lovely backup camera. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is LE33961, and you can head on into PG Ford or give us a call.